Welcome to our channel. Today we how to create a ticketing app experience with Tixr, complete guide step by step clearly. To create a ticketing app experience with Tixr, start by visiting the Tixr website. Sign up for an account if you haven't already. Once logged in, navigate to the dashboard. Click on the Create Event button to start. Fill in the essential details for your event, such as the name, date, and location. Add a compelling event description to attract potential attendees. Next, set the ticket types you want to offer. Choose from general admission, VIP, or custom options as needed. Determine the pricing for each ticket type. Make sure to include early bird pricing if applicable. Now, configure the event settings according to your needs. Include features like attendee limits, promotional codes, and refund policies. Once you're satisfied with your settings, click on Save and Continue. After saving, upload any promotional materials, such as images or videos. Craft a marketing strategy using the built-in tools available on the platform. Share your event link across social media and email channels. Monitor ticket sales through the dashboard. After securing sales, prepare for the event's logistics and management. Use the Tixr app for on-site check-in during your event. This will allow you to scan tickets and manage attendees seamlessly. Post-event, review analytics to evaluate performance. Gather feedback to improve future events. Finally, explore additional integrations and features as you continue to use Tixr for your ticketing needs. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.